Hi. Say hi for the camera. Look, we're using a fork now. Look. Stab it. Get it in your mouth. Yay! He switches hands. Maybe he's ambidextrous. Use the other hand. Hey, Jakey. Oh, fell. Hey, Jakey, what are you watching? Wow, whoops. Hey, Eli. Bring that. Are you watching? Are you playing with that weasel thing? Bring him to me. Jakey, what's up there? What's up there? Can you say Happy Rosh Hashanah? Can you say Happy Rosh Hashanah? Shana Tova? Can you say Shana Tova?
Shana Tova.
Shana Tova, everybody. Happy New Year. Did you go to services today? Did you go to services today, Eli?
Yeah.
You went to services at your temple?
Yeah.
Were they fun? What did they do? Okay. What did they do at services?
Played.
Played. Played with what?
Played with nothing.
What do you mean played with nothing?
What are you doing?
I'm just going to turn this off.
Why?
So we don't waste the batteries. Can you talk to the camera? Tell them what you did. Not that kind.
No, but on the fire
There.
No, but
You need it on. See, it's one of these things. I got conned into buying them today. Now, is he going to learn how to do it? You open it up, yeah. And then you push the lever this way. Oh, then can you put it back on? That's tough. Put it back on. Thread it. It's hard to do, isn't it? Jakey is fascinated. He's in mid-escape. Like, whoa, look at that thing. Okay, so say Happy New Year, Happy Rosh Hashanah, and if I don't see you, Happy Yom Kippur as well. Oh, you did it. Wow. You just took that rubber thing off. Good job. Give me 5. Alright. Now you can play with it. Hi, Jakey. Can you say Shana Tova? Yeah, just like that, right? Oh yeah, that's Mama. That's right. Okay, now we're done. Bye. 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 Big smile. Big smile.
Bye.
Give me a big smile.
Bye.
Give me a big smile. That's kind of a big smile. Oh, that was a big smile that turned sad. Okay. Bye.